You begin the process of analyzing the bank's data. You will create queries to analyze account records. Queries enable you to ask questions about the data stored in a database and then provide you with the answers to the questions in the query results. You can create a query by using the query wizard or using query design. You decide to create a query using the query wizard. The step-by-step wizard is helpful when creating basic queries that do not require criteria. The new Query Wizard dialog box opens with the Simple Query Wizard selected by default. This is the option you want, so click OK. In the first screen of the Simple Query Wizard, you specify the tables or queries and the fields you want to display in your query results. You want fields from the Accounts table for your query, so you move them to the Selected Fields box and proceed to the next step. A detail query shows every field of every record in the results. A summary enables you to group records and view summarized data. You want to see the details, so you accept the default and click Next. A query name should describe the data in the query results. You change the suggested title to Accounts from Campus Branch and finish the query. The results display in Datasheet view. The auditor indicated that the problem with mishandled funds seems to be confined to the campus branch. You created the Accounts from Campus Branch query, however, the results from the Query Wizard display accounts from all branches. You need to modify the query to limit the results to only records from the campus branch, which is branch ID B50. You will modify the query to limit results by setting criteria in Design View. B50 is the branch ID for the campus branch. When you type B50 in the criteria row of branch ID, Access adds quotation marks around it. Access automatically adds quotation marks around text criteria. Criteria are not case sensitive. You want the results of the query to be sorted in ascending order by account ID, so you add the sort to the query. The query results display 9 records, all from branch B50. You notice that some of the data are incorrect, and one of the accounts is missing. You modify the incorrect balance directly in the query results. Notice that the changes you made in the Account from Campus Branch query automatically changed the data stored in the Accounts table. You add the missing record to the Accounts table. Customer 30005 now shows 2 accounts. The changes you made in the Accounts table display in the query. Customer 30005 now shows 2 accounts with the 2 balances sorted in ascending order. Likewise, all other customers with more than 1 account are listed in ascending order by balance. You have queried the database and located the records for the campus branch. You corrected a balance for a customer and entered a missing amount.